If you want to add a black screen in DaVinci Resolve, whether it's for a dramatic pause, a clean transition, or just a simple gap between clips, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. I'll also show you how to adjust the length, make it semi-transparent if you want a dimmed effect, and even add a fade for a smoother transition. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where most of your timeline editing happens, and it's the best place to add a black screen quickly and cleanly. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left corner and open the Effects library. This panel gives you access to transitions, titles, generators, and a lot of other useful editing tools. We're going to use a generator because it's the most reliable way to create a black screen in your project. Inside the Effects library, navigate to Toolbox, then click Generators. In this list, look for Solid Color. This is the tool that creates a simple full-color clip, and by default, it's perfect for black screens. Now drag the Solid Color generator down onto your timeline. If you want a dedicated black segment by itself, place it on video track 1. If you want it to sit over existing footage and cover what's underneath, place it on video track 2. That gives you flexibility depending on the look you want in your edit. After placing it on the timeline, click the Solid Color clip so it becomes highlighted with a red border. This tells you the clip is selected and ready to edit. Then go to the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen and make sure the Video tab is active. The Inspector is where you can customize the generator exactly how you want it. Within the Inspector, look for the Generator subtab. This is where the color settings appear. You should see a color selection box. Check that the color is set to black. If it isn't black already, just click the color square and use the color picker to choose the shade you want. For a standard black screen, pure black is usually the best choice. Next, adjust the length of the black screen. You can do this by clicking and dragging either edge of the Solid Color clip on the timeline. Drag it longer if you want the black screen to stay on screen for more time, or shorter if you only need a brief pause. This is one of the advantages of using a generator because you can fine-tune the timing very easily. If you want the black screen to be a little softer, or if you want it to dim the footage instead of completely covering it, use the Composite section in the Inspector. There you'll find the opacity slider. Lowering the opacity makes the black screen semi-transparent, which is great for creating a darkened overlay effect without fully hiding what's underneath. You can also make the black screen feel more polished by adding a fade. If you want it to fade in or fade out, go back to the Effects library and open the Transitions category. Find Cross Dissolve, then drag it to the start or end of the Solid Color clip. This helps the black screen blend smoothly into the next part of your edit instead of appearing too abruptly. Now there is another way to create space in your timeline, and that's by right-clicking any empty space between two clips and selecting Ripple Delete. This can help move clips together if you're trying to create a gap, but for a stable and more predictable result, the Solid Color generator is usually the better choice. It keeps your black screen clean, controlled, and easy to edit later. So that's the full process. Open the Edit page, go to Effects library, find Solid Color under Generators, place it on your timeline, confirm it's black, adjust the length, and use opacity or transitions if you want a more advanced look. It's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.